Greetings, toy hauler trailblazers. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where adventure meets luxury. We're pumped to showcase a 2022 Keystone Fuzion 419, a 44-foot triple-axle fifth-wheel toy hauler with a massive 15-foot garage. This beast weighs 15,485 pounds, features 3 enormous slide-outs, 1.5 baths, and sleeping for up to 7 in rugged comfort. Equipped with an Onan 5.5 kilowatt generator with only 133 hours, this Fuzion is ready to haul your toys and your crew in style. Join us for a full-throttle tour to explore every epic detail of this remarkable toy hauler. Let's start with the exterior, where the 2022 Keystone Fuzion 419 dominates with bold, go-anywhere presence. The triple-axle design and Curt Rotaflex hitch ensure stable towing, while the Omni Shield weather protection package makes this hauler ready for all-season camping. At 44 feet with a 15-foot garage, it's crafted for serious toy hauling and family adventures. 3 power patio awnings, 2 on the passenger side and 1 on the rear, plus an exterior entertainment compartment with a 24-inch TV create the ultimate outdoor setup. Automatic leveling jacks with touchpad controls, pass-through front basement storage, and 3 roof-mounted ACS with heat pumps round out the package. The toy hauler garage is a standout. 15 feet of dedicated space with 2 queen-sized power drop-down bunk beds. The bottom one converts to a dining lounge area, a 32-inch TV, and a half bathroom with toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan. Plus, a rear deck for loading and unloading your toys with ease. 50-amp service with detachable extension cord and battery disconnects keep everything powered. Powering your off-grid adventures is the Onan 5.5 kilowatt generator with only 133 hours, ready for boondocking or tailgating. These systems make this Fuzion a versatile, all-season toy hauler for families who love to bring their gear. Step inside and the 419 floor plan unfolds as a spacious, family-friendly haven. 3 enormous slide-outs create an expansive interior that sleeps up to 7, perfect for families or groups seeking rugged comfort. The layout features a king-size bed in the elevated front master bedroom, 2 queen drop-down bunks in the garage, and a loft above the living room. The middle living room is a cozy retreat, with 4-person theater seating, a 32-inch TV, stereo, electric fireplace with heat, and loft bunk overhead. Ideal for family movie nights or relaxing after a day of adventure. The huge kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, designed for effortless meal preparation. It boasts a center island dining table with 4 seats, stainless steel gas electric refrigerator and freezer, gas stovetop, gas oven, microwave convection oven, and stainless steel residential sink with faucet. The private master bathroom is exceptional, with a huge shower enclosure with glass doors, skylight, sink, vanity, toilet, and power vent fan, delivering a refreshing spa-like experience. The elevated front master bedroom is a tranquil escape, crafted for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV and wardrobe closet, offers comfort and organization. The slide-out creates an open, airy feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments for a warm, luxurious vibe. A washer-dryer combo adds ultimate convenience for extended trips. Let's spotlight what makes this RV extraordinary. The 419 floor plan, with 3 slide-outs and 1.5 baths, offers a luxurious interior for 7 in a toy hauler package. The 15-foot garage with drop-down bunks and rear deck, Omni Shield package, and generator with only 133 hours support true adventure. Premium features like the 3 power awnings, theater seating, and electric fireplace add comfort and style. Picture cruising in this 2022 Keystone Fuzion 419, hauling your toys to off-road playgrounds, lakeside campsites, or mountain retreats with your loved ones. Imagine unloading on the rear deck, preparing meals in the huge kitchen, or sinking into the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This toy hauler blends rugged capability with home-like luxury, creating memories that last a lifetime. Let's dive deeper into why this Fuzion is a standout choice. Keystone's craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, spacious layout, and thoughtful features like the power awnings and generator. The triple-axle design and Rotaflex hitch inspire confidence, while the interior's intuitive design makes family camping a pleasure. From the garage bunks to the front master bath, this RV is built for adventure and convenience. Why choose this Fuzion? Its blend of toy hauling capability and luxury is unmatched, with features like the 1.5 baths, washer-dryer, and massive garage that make life on the road effortless. The 419 floor plan offers plenty of room for 7, while the generator ensures reliable power for any journey. Ready to make this masterpiece yours? This 2022 Keystone Fuzion 419 is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed toy hauler. Reach out at 864-2609-276. Email sales@portersrvsales.com or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a viewing. The Porters RV sales team is eager to launch your next adventure in style. Thank you for joining us for this action-packed walk-around of the 2022 Keystone Fuzion 419. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 3 slide-outs, 15-foot garage, and premium features, this toy hauler is a must-see. Call us today at 864-2609-276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2022 Fuzion 419. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you hit the road in comfort.